Welcome the our channel. Today we how to transfer photos with Google Photos easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open the Google Photos app on your device. Sign in using your Google account if you haven't already. Once logged in, you'll see your photo library. To transfer photos, select the images you want to move. For Android, tap and hold on a photo to select it. You can then tap additional photos to include them. For iPhone, tap Select in the top right corner. Then, tap the photos you want to choose. After selecting, tap the share icon at the bottom of the screen. Choose where you want to share or transfer the photos. If you want to transfer to another device, select the device's name from the list. To download photos directly, select Save to Device for Android. For iPhone, choose Save Image to download the selected photos. You can also create an album by selecting Album in the Share options. Name your album and save it for easy access later. For backup, ensure your photos are synced with Google Photos. Check your settings under Backup and Sync to confirm everything is backed up. This method allows you to access your photos from any device. Always verify that your photos have transferred successfully before deleting them from your original device. Make sure to check your internet connection for smooth transfers. If you encounter any issues, try restarting the Google Photos app. Following these steps will make transferring photos simple and efficient. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.